Still at SHOT Show 2025. We are at the Wii booth. Let's take a quick peek at some new products coming in. Baby Banter 2. Alright, we got an Elementum 2 with button lock. Sassy. That feels really lightweight in the hand. And we got the Merit. The Merit. Unlock. Nice finger choil.
So you can't
we did a review on this guy. Look at the size of this guy.
What if you're going hunting and you're traveling? That's okay.
Shink. Beautiful grip.
You can't have it?
And that is the Photonix. Got the Elementum coming in a slip joint.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. So you just gotta be very careful.
Oh, this is a new one. Look at that.
So yeah, I'm from Utah, so I just have a knife whenever I want. Knives in my truck, knives in my car. You should be able to. Yeah.
Klingman.
Sweden, what's
Soken?
What's the food like in Sweden? Yeah.
Oh.
It's like a popular thing.
Nice little fixed blade. That handle locks it into place. Get that in. Anaki. Oh, I love it. Look at the pattern drilled in that push button. Looks like we got a flipper lever.
Yeah, I believe it. We love fast food here. Really greasy.
Woo. Really
yummy,
lightweight. Look at the design of that blade. Krabby Patties. Nice little belly here.
Obviously, it helps me by you guys. We have a lot of traffic. Yeah, you guys get a lot of traffic, so obviously a lot of people come for your guys' keg at the end.
And look at this guy.
Here at the very end, and then same with Under Armour. They've been dropping a lot of traffic too. So
look at that craziness. Push button. It's like a flipper.
Right next to you guys. You guys like what? Used to be a third year.
Rambit.
So don't move, okay?
Those are coming soon.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do Sencut. This is their budget line, but not budget in quality. Coming soon, and new products. Practice. Beautiful yellow G10. Good looking blade. Alright. Oh. Draxor. We did a review on this guy. Love this. The price that you pay for this. Totally worth this massive blade. Skarnax. And these are some superhero villain names here. Oh, look at that. G10. Liner lock. Nice satin finish on that one. And we got Toxodon. This is a chunker, guys. Fixed blade. Full tang. Rivets all the way through. Really thick bar stock. Stonewash finish. Look at that blade.
Nice.
Love fixed blades. Regnator. I don't know. You're gonna have to figure that one out, guys. That is a hell of a forward-looking knife.
Nice design.
Blade-wise, to fit in that little tiny handle.
Sencut. I've never had. like it.
Flipper lever.
Beautiful.
Different color?
Where does this fit into their line? Is this between Civivi and Wii or below?
It's kind of expensive. It's not too expensive.
Let's go look at the expensive stuff. All right, let's run through the big dollar knives. We got new products. We got coming soon products. Let's have a look at High Fin XL. Some of you familiar with that? Look at how that picks up the light. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. Get the accents on the thumb studs. A little bit of a harpoon on the top. Alright. Night blade, run of the mill. Nothing fancy, but I love those gold accents. Backspacer gold, pocket clip gold, pivot gold. Gives it a little bit of an attitude. That's a perfect EDC knife. Boogie Banter. Again with the accents. Look at that. It really does make a difference. Even that pocket clip looking good. Move it over to the Quincetis. Oh, I'm so sorry, people of Spanish speaking origin. That's gorgeous again. Absolutely stunning. What we got here? Liner lock. Flipper lever. It's a crazy looking blade. Alright, coming soon. Applet. Oh, look at the accents inside of the holes as well as around. The pivot, blue wee. Even your torque screws. Ooh, look at the rocker on that. Big old curve. Frame lock. Flies open. Zenthra. Warncliffe Mania. Love Warncliffe. Look at all that space you got for cutting. Beautiful milled handles. Gorgeous. Oh, flipper. Yep. We have Psylocke. Let's get the... I think that's fat carbon in there. Looking neat. That's a chunker of a blade, really. A lot going on there. Fuller's cut both sides. Push button. So, hey, win some, lose some, yeah. Gorgeous. Clean pivot. Gold thumb studs. I think this has a front flipper. These always give me problems. Ooh. Michael Trogon. Macro Machines. Beautiful. Love blue accents. Fuller's cut on both sides. Nice thick bar stock. That's a stubby knife. Frame lock in it. Should be able to flip that right open. Yes. Inmate. That's a long blade. Ooh, look at the coloring there. That is one big eyeball. What do we got? Frame lock. And looks like another front flipper. A lot of real estate there. Oh. And lastly, coral. Interesting blade shape. Got thin in the front, a bit chunky in the back. Again, short, stubby, thick bar stock. One thing about this little stubby guy. Alright, I believe that this is a frame lock, but check out the trigger opening mechanism. That's not a flipper. You gotta really yank down on it. Follow through, and it's like a trigger. You pull the trigger backwards. It flies open. That is fidgety for sure. And that is Wii.